What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be looking at a LED RGB remote control light bulb. So this could be a fun little bulb, so let's take a closer look at it. So you can pick up these things for pretty cheap these days. This one was around $10. So here on the pack, it just kind of gives you some info that it does have colored and white. It does come with a remote and some of the different colors you can get out of it, and just some specs here. So we do have 15 colors with 4 modes. So I see the remote here, the bulb itself. It's actually smaller than I thought it was going to be. And I definitely like the small form factor, so that's kind of cute. So that's about it, and we do have a little manual here, which I'm pretty sure we won't need. So there is a little film here. I guess that is to keep the battery disconnected as it's stored. So just pull that out, and that's it. It should start working. And as you can see, guys, these are all the different colors you can choose, including the white here. And you have the brightness level, looks like. I'm guessing that's on and off. And here are the modes, which is flash, strobe, fade, and smooth. So I guess you can have it, do stuff if that's what you want to do with it. All right, guys, so I just got this little adapter bulb thingamajigger. And I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. And there it goes, guys, it turned on. All right, so let's go through the different colors. So I'm hitting red now. And then like orangey red, even more orange. Now this is supposed to be yellow here, green, lighter green, or whatever that is, blue, really blue, and this is like violet blue. Okay, so now it's going to purple, more purpley, very purpley, and pink. I think that's the color it started with. So, and here is white. So honestly, the white is not pure white. It's definitely got a little bit of like a pinky blue tint to it. All right, so I'm gonna click flash. So this is what flash looks like. So I'm gonna push strobe. That appears to be a little faster than the flash. Let's try the fade. Okay, the fade, it just fades between different colors. And let's try the smooth. So it's pretty much, well, it's a little different. It's kind of like a transition, but it's like a fast fade transition. So pretty cool. And that is all the controls of this controller. Could be a pretty good gift for somebody, or if you need some mood lighting, this definitely could be it. Alright, guys, so I think that'll be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to pick up this little guy here, I'll leave a link in the description. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.